Hey guys, welcome back to my channel MET Megha. So it's finally the third part of Biotique video, and here I am with the remaining products of Biotique that are still remain to be reviewed. So let's continue with further more packs and scrubs from Biotique. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell to get notified for my further videos. And if you are not following me on my Instagram, please do follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is MET Megha. So without further ado, let's start the video. The first thing that I want to include in the third video of Biotique review is this Biotique BioMilk Protein. This actually have milk protein. Milk protein actually with the rinse off application retains the moisture in the skin. That's a very particular thing about milk protein, that continuous usage of milk protein will not give that effect, but rinse off application means once you apply, leave it on your skin for a while and then rinse it off will definitely give that moisture, that will restore the moisture that your skin is lagging and you are looking forward, and will make your skin look even more supple and soft, and definitely will eventually make your skin more brighter than it is. And so just let me quickly show you the consistency of this pack. As you can see, this is 50 grams of tub and retails for 199 rupees. You can definitely avail some offer, but this is really nice, and this is creamy form of pack, you can see. And this actually, you cannot differentiate between a pack and a cream, but this actually is a pack. And this, as I have said, has milk protein, which actually makes the skin so much nourished. अगर किसी की dry skin है, this is definitely a product you should at least try once, and I'm sure you will not get enough of this product because this is really hydrating and moisturizing pack. So they say that this is for all skin types. Apply evenly over cleansed face, neck and around eyes. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with water or damp wash cloth. Use daily or as needed. I don't suggest you to use it daily, although you can, but I suggest कि आप week में 2 बार भी इसको use करेंगे, that's enough of it. Although it has a bit of strong smell in it, the effect that it will give to your skin will definitely subsides the smell it has. So let's move on to the next products. This I would say कि एक साथ इनको introduce करें. These are Biotique Winter Germ Spot Correcting Anti-Acne Cream, and this one is Biomyristica. This is for spot correcting and anti-acne face pack. So I also have acne prone skin, so I actually tried. Although I didn't find them very effective, as they retails for 199 rupees both of them, and the quantity is just 15 grams. So let's talk about the pack first. So this is the pack. This actually has Myristica. This is basically Jaifal. As you all know, Jaifal has properties that healing properties. अगर कोई muscle strain हो, acne हो, कोई boil हो, basically muscle को relief करने के लिए, this actually smells like something like an ointment, pain reliever ointment, but actually this is for like you don't have to apply it all over the face, but only on the affected areas. Like if I have pimple here, I just have to apply right on the pimple and leave it for like 20 minutes. I actually leave it for whole night. अगर मैंने रात में apply किया, then I leave it, and once it is dry, it actually moves out. And like this actually is very thick kind of a pack. They actually claim to be a spot correcting pack, but I don't find it very effective on my acne. Maybe because of hormonal imbalance or something, but most of the acnes are because of hormonal imbalance in actual. तो उसका spot it do not remove very effectively. Although I find this winter green spot correcting cream actually this is also spot correcting cream, so you just have to apply on the affected areas. You don't have to apply it all over the face, and इतनी quantity में अगर हम पूरे face पे लगाएंगे, then it will, I don't think, last for even for a week, because it is very limited quantity. So it's In comparison to the pack, I find this is the tub. As you can see, I have used it quite a lot of it, and this is the consistency. This is quite a thin consistency, and although this is wintergreen is also used to relieve the pain from the muscles or kill the germs in the skin, but although in comparison to the pack, I find wintergreen cream more effective, wintergreen cream more effective as compared to the pack. But all in all, I don't find them very effective on my skin. But the point is, zaruri nahi hai that the product that suits me will suit you as well, or the product that don't suit me will not suit you as well. So you can definitely, if you are an acne prone person and you have acne on your skin, you can definitely give them a try. Which percentage tak to this will work, but I was expecting a lot from these, so I am a bit disappointed from this. But overall, it's just an okay product for me. So the next product are these. This is Bio Papaya Revitalizing Tan Removal Scrub, and the second one is Bio Fruit Whitening Depigmentation Tan Removal. This is Bio Fruit, combination of fruit. So let's start with the pack scrub first. So this is the consistency of the scrub, and this is very granulated. The particles are really strong particles. Although this after effect of this scrub is really effective, you will find your skin very clean and clear. You will find this will make you get rid of all the gunk on your skin, and this will make your face, your skin feel more clearer than ever before. But I will not suggest this one to anyone who have acne, because this has large particle and strong particles. This is very granulated. It might irritate your skin, but the one with oily skin, the one with combination skin, or maybe dry skin people can definitely go for this one. It is very important to have scrub that can actually effectively remove tan from our face. So this is a good one. Let me just quickly go through the ingredients. This has papita fruit seeds, kela fruit pulp, khajur fruit pulp, neem bark, methi seeds, ban haldi rhizome, aam beej, beeswax, kikar gum, moongfali, and purified water. So everything that it has is full of vitamin E and full of properties of removing tan. So excluding all the acne prone person, this is a very nice product. So the next is Bio Fruit Whitening Tan Removal Pack. I think अगर आप tan removal में दोनों अगर आप use करेंगे, it would be better if you go for both scrub and pack. So this is a mixed fruit one. This is a red kind of a pack, and this is very nice. थोड़ा सा thick है, but actually have great effects on the skin. It actually has a bit of tingling effect on your skin, but is very effective whether you are dry skin, whether you are oily, combination, acne prone skin, whatever may be your type. This is very effective, as they have mentioned, for all skin type, and this actually leaves your skin very nourished, very soft, moisturized and supple. So you can definitely go for this one. You know, I have purchased so many things from Biotic. I thought let's just buy something for my husband as well. So I have bought this too. This is for men. This is Orris Root and skincare for men. This is cleanser, and the other is Bio Orange Whitening Face Lotion. These both are for men. So we all know about the orange, but Orris Root is something that we can discuss about. Orris Root actually retains the moisture in the skin and improves the elasticity of the skin. So this actually makes your skin more elastic and more supple, and eventually removes all the dryness or dead skin from the skin and makes your skin even more brighter and clearer than before. So my husband actually loved it very much. You can see the amount of cleanser he has used. And these are, I think they both are very nice product for men actually, because they are all chemical free and there are very less options out there for men without chemicals. So I think this one is very nice. So guys, with this it's a wrap. As you know, I've covered all the Biotique products that I have been using in 3 parts. So this is the part 3. If you have not seen the part 1 and part 2 of this Biotique review, I will link them above in this video, and you can just go through, see whether if they work for you or not. I hope this video will help you to select from the wide range of Biotique the product that you need. And I hope you like all this series of Biotique binge. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment below, share this video, and you can also follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is MET Megha. So guys, thank you so much for watching.